Hello friends, I am Sim and welcome to my YouTube channel Be Artistic with Sim. Today I am going to teach you how to make realistic realistic leaves with poster color. So let's start. For that I am taking this dark green color and start drawing a leaf. Okay, now just take some more color and start filling it with that color. Now take up some light green color to do some shading. Now we'll take some yellow color. You can use watercolor tubes or watercolor cakes also, as you wish. Whatever colors are available to you, you can use them. Okay, and finally I'm going to take some white color to give it a nice shade. Right, add some pinch of green color in it. And our beautiful leaf is ready. I am showing you another leaf to paint. Actually, I am going to paint a full stem full of leaves. Start drawing the stem here. You can also use brown color here. I am using green because I like green very much. So I am using green color here. Draw the stem. Okay. Now again I am going to draw a leaf with our painting color. Okay. Now start filling it up again in the same way. Fill it up with dark green color. Then take up some light green color. And then take some yellow color. And finally I am going to take up some white color and fill it up. Okay, that's enough. It gives the leaf a natural shade and makes it more realistic and beautiful. Look how beautifully it comes out. Right now, repeat the same process here and there. We'll again paint the same in the same way 2 leaves. So here our leaves are ready. So again with some dark green color, I am going to paint some branches of the stem. Okay. Okay. Okay, so this picture is not looking that much colorful. So I am thinking of painting a sunflower here over the stem. So I have taken up that yellow color again and will start painting the petals of flower in circular motion. Just put the tip of the brush here, then press it, and then that's it. We'll make all the petals this way. You know, art and paintings are so satisfying and they helps you to release the stress, makes you more creative and artistic, saves you from depression. Doing art is always a savior for all of us. Right? We'll complete the whole flower this way. Turn the sheet to make it more accurate. Okay, So I have painted some petals of flower. Now we'll take up some yellow color and mix it with white color. Take some yellow color and take up some white color, okay, and draw the petals, paint the petals in between. Like this. Make this with whole patience and the come out will be amazing. And that's it. Look how beautiful it is. Now take up some brown color and make dots in the center. Okay. Again we will take a little yellow color. Take up some yellow color and make some dots again. That's it. Now we'll take up some dark green color and draw the veins of the leaves. Okay. In the same way, we will draw the veins in all of the leaves. Now I am going to take up a little of a red color and do some shading in our flower to make it more beautiful. Okay, so friends, our realistic leaves painting is complete. If you like my videos, please like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel Be Artistic with Sim. For more such interesting videos, stay tuned to my channel. Till then, keep watching, keep creating. Okay, bye bye, take care.